How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete one photos from multiple photos on Instagram. So in order to delete one photos from multiple photos on Instagram, what you'll need to do is, first of all, you'll need to update the application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update the application and then log into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So then, to begin with the deletion process, go to your profile page. Now if you've already made a post and if you want to delete a photo, to delete one single photo from a multiple photo, let's say this particular photos, you can see that I've added up to 5 photos in one particular post. So what you need to do is, in order to delete it, as you can see, this is also similar. So in order to delete it, what you need to do is just tap on the 3-dot icon located right on top. After that, go to the edit section, and over here what you need to do is swipe up a little bit, and then you need to select the image that you want to delete. So click on this bin icon located right on top, and if you're sure about the deletion process, click on the delete button and click on the tick button. So that is how you can delete one photo from multiple posts on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.